Discover what's new in DigiPara Liftdesigner 2025, where innovation and precision redefine elevator design. Starting with BIM Enhancements, we now support the official ISO standard format IFC 4.3, ensuring seamless integration with your BIM exports. You can also create your own custom BIM property sets that you can tailor specifically to your elevator projects and use for all your elevator projects. The shaft wizard has become even more powerful. Wall finishing can now be activated for all access sites, while entire sheet groups can be easily selected in relation to sheet templates as well as individual drawing sheets. Our cloud capabilities have expanded too. The new ventilation library allows for convenient insertion and adjustment of ventilation settings in the shaft. Additionally, we've updated the existing BK Factory products and added the Zielabeck ZA Top series of gearless drive systems adapted for all level of development representations. We've also made significant improvements to sheet handling. With the enhanced sheet settings, you can copy and paste drawing sheets not only within a project, but also across projects. View frames can now be copied in bulk from one sheet to another. And visibility adjustments in face-to-face shaft groups are now more precise than ever. Liftdesigner 2025 introduces advanced usage features as well. Hall buttons can now be positioned with more flexibility, including inclined holds and placement into or away from walls. Extended options for the logical center point in the shaft allow you to add custom offset values, while new parameters let you insert and position multiple load hooks per component. Our functional enhancements ensure compatibility with the latest Inventor and SolidWorks versions, taking CAD automation to the next level. For escalator designs, you can now directly edit all dimensions with ease and precision. Additionally, the creation of horizontal and inclined moving walks is now fully supported. Liftdesigner 2025 is your ultimate solution for smarter and more efficient elevator design. Update today and experience a new level of innovation and precision.